Hi, so you've done the Excel course today. What did you think?
Yeah, I've just done the level 2. I did the level 1 2 weeks ago. I thought the timing was quite appropriate because I just learned a lot from level 1, so it's kind of putting everything in practice, but also developing what I've learned. Level 1 I thought was really good because it helped me focus on little tips and tricks that I never knew existed. I would have put myself on level 2, however, I would recommend anybody to do level 1 because it literally is just, I think it should probably be reworded to be tips and tricks because that's what it is.
Fair enough. And did you save time with some of the things you learnt?
A considerable amount of time, yes. Little things like how to open files, how to undo, but it's more doing it quickly at quick clicks of a button.
It's those quick one
but
click
conditional
things,
formatting, lots of different activities that it's all there and you can see the buttons but you just don't know how to do them. And then obviously there's a little bit on pivot tables which I'm quite keen on, so we kind of covered areas to the extent that people needed them to be, so it's very appropriate to who was on the course.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you very much. That's great.